Good afternoon. Today we're going to look at some of the potential problems why an AQUAS water heater may not give hot water. And today in part one of this video series we're going to look for the most obvious reason, which is the removal of the lock switch. So firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to need to remove the cover to look inside the water heater. Now before we do that, for absolute maximum safety, we should cut the electric supply to the water heater and recheck the on-off button to make sure that there is no water supply. Now it's safe to go ahead and remove the cover. So we take the two screws from the bottom of the cover and gently pull the cover away from the water heater. Now we can see inside the AQUAS shower, and here you can see immediately that the lock switch has been left in the heater after installation. So in order to get hot water to your shower, this is just a simple operation of removing this black part, and now the electric supply will now run directly to the heater coil. So everything should now be okay. So that was really quite a simple solution to get hot water to your shower. We can now return the cover to the water heater. We can open up the electric supply again and now retest the shower to make sure that you have an adequate amount of hot water. So I hope that helps. If you have any further problems, do check out some of our additional fault finding and repair diagnosis videos, which you can find on our website www.aquashower.co.uk.